Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so that's what you're into. Keep watching. Alright, you guys. So, sorry, I've got like an eyelash that fell out. It's like stuck to my face. Okay, so I need to do something with this lips. I feel like I'm gonna be glitchy today, so I apologize in advance. I need to do something with the lips, so we're gonna go in with the Revlon super lustrous cream lipstick in the shade Bare It All, because I just want something really, really simple on the lips. Okay. Also, I've got this like almost slushy crisp Coke Zero. Oh, it's just carbonation. I just love carbonation. Okay. So, today's palette, I'm really excited. It's going to be the Nomad Cosmetics Pacific Northwest palette. This right here, just this artwork, this is my dream. Okay, I would love to get to see something this beautiful in person. I honestly don't know if my soul could handle it, because it's just something that I've always dreamed of, and I don't think I will ever have that opportunity. But I love nature. I love just this whole palette is like, this is like my soul in a palette, okay? Just mountains, fresh air, beautiful scenery, nature. That is what I love. So, whew, I'm excited. I'm excited. So, how are you guys doing? I'm doing a lot better. Life has been a lot. Life is always a lot, but like, it definitely doubled down recently, but I'm gonna try and, you know, for my own good, I have to just let it go and just know that I did the best I could and just move on to protect my mental health. And I think that's a good way to put it. All right, so, and also the thing is, I feel bad about using these palettes because the embossing and the artwork on the shadows themselves is like, my God, it is so beautiful. And I hate having to mess it up, but like I have to. But it's so beautiful. All right, so I think we're gonna start with the shade, and I'm not really sure what I'm doing. We're just kind of like gonna go with it and see what happens. So let's start with Sasquatch Sighting right here. And again, you guys, can you see the artwork and these shadows? It's breaking my heart. I'm sorry, Sasquatch. All right, so we're just gonna like tap this in the crease, just get it going. Then I want to go in with shades are so pretty. P and W right here. We're just gonna blend that out with it. Oh. These shades are just so beautiful. I just want to like take that and put it on the lower lash line, whatever is like still left on the brush. So our weather has been so wild. Like it will be 90 something degrees during the day and then it drops down to like the 30s and it's wild. Like I'm glad that it's cooler at night because I'm just taking a little bit of glitter glue because I cannot sleep if it's hot. Like anything above like 65 degrees, I can't sleep. That's too hot for me. And so it's been nice being able to like get decent sleep. But man, it is really hot during the day. All right. Now, what shimmer are we gonna do? Oh my gosh. So hard because this is just such a beautiful palette. Let's go with Cannon Beach. Like all these are freaking gorgeous, but I'm just really feeling Cannon Beach. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. That shimmer is just phenomenal. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Now for like the lower inner corner highlight, I think we're gonna go with this shade Sunbreak right here. You see that? All right, so we got one eye done. Let's move on to the next one. We're gonna do a different look. Going back to my roots of the two different eye looks. I missed it. Definitely need that back in my life. So let's start with the shade. Let's do Leaping Orcas. Right there. And again, just putting this in the crease, just tapping it in, getting it started. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade, gosh, which one? Let's go with Columbia River Gorge right there. We're just gonna blend it out. You guys, like, how's the weather where you've been? Is everyone else's weather just completely wonky? Like, it is the Midwest, so we usually don't get a lot of cooler weather, but also, like, I don't think it's normal. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take whatever's left on the brush on the lower lash line, but I also think it's normal for us to like this many, like, super hot days in March, and I'm absolutely terrified to see what this summer brings, because we've already had some hot, like, summer days in March. Again, just going in with some glitter glue. Oh, I'm just dropping things. Just dropping my glitter glue. All right. Which one of these freaking gorgeous shimmers do I want to go in with? Okay. Ecotopia right here. That's it. That is the one. Oh man, that is the one. Holy crap. Yep, that was it. That is just so beautiful. Oh, she's pretty. She's so pretty. All right, you guys. So for the lower inner corner highlight, we're going with that same shade Sunbreak like we did on the first eye. It is this one right here. Nope, right there. It's just, this palette is beautiful. Also, I believe Nomad for Earth Day, they're going to be having a sale. Like the first week of April. So if you wanted to get something, definitely check it out. I have 1 or 2 more palettes of theirs that I want to pick up during that sale. Hopefully they'll still be available. Fingers crossed. But one thing that I really like about Nomad, they try to keep their palettes around for at least a year. So like you have an opportunity to pick them up. Because I know a lot of times when the releases come out, I'm broke as a joke and I have no money. So I appreciate that they keep things in stock for a minute so that everyone has an opportunity if they want to pick something up. So I really do appreciate that. I think that's really, really cool. Okay, so I need to go do some liner, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. If you know, you know. Got a little excited with those sprays. All right. Let's do a little final look-see. And you guys, this is the Nomad Cosmetics Pacific Northwest palette. Oh my gosh. Just one more last look at this beautiful palette. Y'all, she is gorgeous. She is just everything that I desire in my life. So a couple things, you guys, do me a favor. Literally, if you're seeing this, comment anything below. If you are watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel, because most of my viewers are not subscribed. Subscribe, hang out, let's talk makeup. If there's any makeup that you've been enjoying, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below. I'm also on the Talk. I post there every day. I'm trying to get better at posting every day here on the tube. My shorts have been doing a lot better, but I need to convert those into people watching long form content. So check out my shorts as well, but don't forget the long form content because that's what really helps me out the most. So I gotta run. My husband's getting a cold. We're gonna run out, get some cold medicine and stuff. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you on the next one.